My name is Karen, and I'm the owner of Bread and Beck's Bakery and Ice Cream Parlor.
I'm Diana, and I'm the head decorator at Bread and Beck's Bakery.
We've been in business since 1889.
So I'd have to say that my design style would be bright, colorful, whimsical. I'm the kind of person who loves to use every crayon in the crayon box. The more color, the better. So my plan for the royal wedding cake is, I think that things should reflect the couple a little bit. So the bottom of my cake is going to be an English garden with topiaries and just gorgeous hedging. And then I'm going to make gum paste flowers that are going to be so realistic, bumblebees are going to want to land on them. And at the very top of my cake, I'm going to do 2 foxes. Absolutely adorable and totally in love. And she's a California girl. So I thought the outside's kind of more reflecting him, so let's make the inside a little bit more about her. It's really light and airy, and we have fantastic American buttercream. Our cake is totally gonna win because we are cutting edge, we're thinking outside of the box. I'm coming at you from a completely different angle than everybody else. We're just that good. Yeah.
Diana and Karen, let's see the cake. The cake is adorable. It really does look like a storybook. It's absolutely a fantasy.
I think the details on the gum paste flowers are impeccable. I think that even the brushed embroidery, like the floral tiers, I think is beautiful. I like that it tells a story. I just don't know if it is too whimsical for a royal wedding.
Bruno's has been around for about, what, 38 years now?
38, 40 years, yeah.
We take pride in the fact that all our cakes taste as good as they look. It's interesting how me and you are different in decorating cakes and our style in the kitchen.
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
He's a nut.
Yes.
I'm the more, what do you call it, traditional? Not
Square.
traditional, not square,
Very
but...
square. When it comes to cakes, I really love to paint on cakes. You know, I'll take a paintbrush one day and just like throw color on a cake. Like the cake is my canvas, basically.
So the plan for the royal wedding cake, we always start with the inside out. It's gonna be a lemon poppy seed cake with a lemon French cream with a blueberry. Are we doing compote, fresh blueberries? What are we doing?
Yeah, fresh blueberry compote.
Fresh blueberry compote.
So we're doing a square, about 6-tier, 4 feet tall cake for them.
But we have separation in between.
Yep.
So in the separations, we're making it look like a chandelier with some leaf work coming up.
Yep.
And it's gonna light up in the middle. I think this cake's gonna have that royal touch that we're looking for. The flavor is definitely all on.
Yeah.
When it comes to our competition, we wish them a lot of luck. You have
really
no
good
chance,
either.
no chance coming up against us.
Sorry, but it's gonna be the Bruno brothers all the way.
That's gorgeous, you guys.
Thank you.
What did you think of this cake?
Well, again, I think the cake is beautiful. I'm gonna start with the inside out because I really thought that your cake really tasted the best. I wish there was more refined details on it.
Our cake decorating style is clean, sophisticated.
We're classically trained in traditional Italian and French technique.
We can be perfectionists sometimes, but we like that about ourselves.
Yes.
Our plan for the royal wedding cake is we're gonna have our normal crisp, clean lines, but for a touch of royal sparkle, we're gonna incorporate some sugar jewels, similar to her engagement ring. For the cake flavors, we're going to do a light lemon sponge cake with a lavender berry buttercream filling. And the bottom tier, we're incorporating a little bit of a different shape, the hexagon shape, so that it's a little more modern because Meghan likes to stay on top of trends.
She was a calligrapher, which is kind of interesting because Nancy's a calligrapher as well.
We're using a quote from him about her. It's very adorable. We want to take different aspects from things that we've learned about Harry and Meghan and combine them to make something really unique and personalized. Our cake's just going to be perfect and beautiful, and if I was Meghan, I would choose it.
So Nancy and Gina, can we see your cake? Wow.
Yeah. From a technical standpoint, your cake is the hardest. It's got the most techniques,
complicated.
by far.
But they're all amazing. Like, these are world-class epic cakes.
Yeah, 100%. I love that you know, the gold with the blush and the pink.
And the calligraphy, it's very personal to her story.
It really is, and it's got a really royal sense to it. I thought the sponge was a little dry. Okay, which cake was the best? Okay.
So who wins the double crown today?
That's tough. This was very, 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 very tough. Okay, and you should all be very, very proud.
Show, buddy!
But the winners are